That's so cool. I was telling.
We love Beats Basement.
It's freezing. You walk down the stairs and you can literally feel the temperature change.
Did you reach out to Avery?
The most tutorials possible because he has the most tricks in his. That's smashing. So, yeah, just the breakdown of all the different tricks, the holds, the combos. So we'll do a lot of duo pass stuff together. Yeah. We should break it down a little bit.
Yeah, we've got the Almanac now.
Oh, we can do director's commentary.
Oh, I love director's commentary. Who is the director?
Let's do some right now.
It's a bit windy, to be honest. I thought got a light southwester.
We can
about
practice
14
in
knots.
the wind. Practice in the
Yeah, we
wind.
could actually. Boomerangs into the wind is absolute fire, by the way. I hope you're listening. Because you can go flatter and it lasts. It goes in the air for a bit longer. Yeah, but you know that, don't you? But maybe the people don't.
We got a little bit of daylight left, shall we?
We could do a little.
Let's.
We could, throw something into this northeaster. Which was different direction to what I said before. I have limits. Yeah, I imagine you just see that AJ jumped into a car to try and catch one of my dogs. It's hilarious. Another floater. It's just so crispy.
Father Flo, I need your brain.
Call that the belly bounce.
AJ's gonna need more coffee.
How you doing today?
Doing great. Coffee that's
Yay!
sponsored by Starbucks. I'm doing great.
Alright, happy to hear it.
Busting out this almanac. Gonna have a great time this week.
Yeah.
So many people coming into town. So many people to finally meet. It's surreal.
Right. Once in a lifetime opportunity.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Cheers.